from this kind of gathering, na sinimulan nga nila.
There's some bits of like tokenizing.
Mga to.
Young people na kino-continue yung practice dahil din sa
Or we can share. I think there's something outside.
But she left a really heartfelt message for everybody here today. She's so sorry she couldn't make it, but she sent out actually educate about climate change. And I think one story when we were in Samar.
We don't need one answer to what being Filipino is, but we actually need many. And the more answers we get, that's how we really create an archipelago of the world. And I think that's what we really need nowadays.
I want to say, can we please give a big hand of applause? Please? Amazing! Fearless and bold young people. As someone generation is what's going to make our country proud and give us so much hope for the future. Because like Gab said, there's so much negativity in this world. But you know what? There's always going to be negativity. But it's up to your mindset to fight that. Okay? As some
Dito dapat dito kayo.
really, all